Hey guys! Welcome back to Telegram Guy. In this video, I will tell you how you can get your MongoDB URL easily. So let's get started. First, check the link I have given in the description, or go to your browser and search mongo.com and enter search. It will redirect you to the official MongoDB website. Here, scroll down and click on Try Atlas for free. Here, log in with a name, email and password, or just click on Sign in with Google. After that, select the Gmail account you want to use, and here click on Continue. It will get you here. Click on I accept and click Submit. It will take time to create your account. After that, it will ask for some details. Fill it as I fill and click on Finish. It will go to the next page automatically and start to generate DB URL. Scroll down and click on Go to Advanced Configuration and scroll a little left and click on Shared, which is free. Scroll down and you will see the name Cluster 0. Leave it as it is or change the name. I will change here. After that, click on Create Cluster. Here, scroll down and you will see a username and password. Copy both of it and keep it safe. Scroll down and click on Create User. Next, it will ask you for IP address. Enter 0.0.0.0/0 and delete the one it automatically generated. After this, click on Finish and close. It will load for some time and make it to this page. Here, click on Connect and then on Drivers and then scroll down. And you will see this URL. Copy it. This is your DB URL. Go to Telegram or anywhere and paste the URL and remove the DB_password for the URL and add the password that you copied. That's all, your MongoDB URL is created. That's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.